Hello kids! Today we will learn comparing objects. In, out. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, quickly press the red subscribe button if you haven't and enjoy watching this video. Let's get started. Which toy plane is in the box? Option 1 or option 2? Okay, so can you think where is the plane inside the box? Here or here? In this picture, the plane is kept outside the box, and in this picture, the plane is kept inside this box. As you can see, the box is open. So, the answer is which option, 1 or 2? Option 1, correct. Very good. Select the eggs which are out of the nest. Option 1, option 2. So tell me, where are the eggs inside the nest and where are the eggs outside the nest? Which is the right answer? Option 1 or option 2? Option 2, correct. Select the rabbit which is in the cage. Option 1, option 2. Okay, so can you see? In option 2, the rabbit has come out of the cage and is looking at you. And in option 1, the rabbit is inside the cage. So, where do you think is rabbit in the cage? Option 1 or option 2? Option 1, correct. Select the chocolates which are out of the jar. Okay, let's check the options. Option 1, option 2. In option 1, can you see these chocolates are inside the jar? The lid of this jar is closed. And in option 2, the chocolates are outside the jar and the jar is empty. So what is the right answer? Where are the chocolates out of the jar? Option 1 or option 2? Correct. Option 2 is the right answer. Select the apple which is in the basket. Option 1, option 2. Okay, so in option 1, you can see 4 apples inside this basket. And in option 2, there are 2 apples. But where are they? In the basket or outside the basket? They are kept out. Correct. So, what will be the answer for the question? Select the apple which is in the basket. Which is the right answer? Option 1 or option 2? Where the apples are inside? You're right. Option 1 is the right answer because here the apples are in the basket. Correct. Select the book which is out of the bag? Option 1. Option 2. The bag is open and the book is inside the bag. And in option 2, the book is outside the bag. So, which one is the right option? What will you select? Where is the book out of the bag? Option 1 or option 2? You are right. Option 2 is the correct answer. Here the books are out of the bag. Very good. Select the tree which is inside the fence. Option 1 and option 2. Can you tell me where the tree is inside the fence? This is a fence and the tree is behind the fence, which means the tree is inside. And in option 2, can you find any fence? No. So, which tree will you select which is inside the fence? What is the right answer? Option 1 or option 2? Option 1, correct. Select the cake which is inside the plate. Option 1 and option 2. So tell me, which cake is inside the plate and which cake is just lying around? Which one is the right answer? Option 1 or option 2? You are right. Option 1 is the right answer because here the cake is inside the plate. Very good. Select the fish which is out of the pond. Option 1, option 2. Where do you think is fish in the pond? In option 1, correct. And in option 2, the fish is in the fish tank. So, what is the right answer? Select the fish which is out of the pond. Option 2, because here the fish is not in the pond, the fish is in the fish tank. So option 2 is the right answer. Very good. Select the clothes which are in the cupboard. Okay, so option 1 and option 2. Option 1, can you see the cupboard is open and the clothes are folded nicely and kept in the cupboard? And in option 2, the cupboard is closed and the clothes are lying outside. So which is the right answer? Where are the clothes in the cupboard? Option 1 or option 2? You're right. Option 1 is the right answer. Very good. Let's revise. So we learned comparing objects. We learned comparison. In, which is also known as inside. Out, also known as outside. So in this first picture, this girl is inside her house. And in the second picture, the girl is playing in the garden outside her house. I hope you understood what is in and what is out. You did great today. Very good. Now I want you to look around and compare objects. Sort them in and out. I will meet you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. and like and share the video with all your friends. Teaching Mama loves you. We'll meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.